What's up, guys? How's it going? So last night kind of had a shitty ordeal. I was outside cleaning the razor, looking around, and I noticed on the bottom of my air box, you know how it's got those little clips that hold the air box cover closed? Well, one of the bottom ones was missing. And I'm like, what the fuck? I looked at it, and it turns out I melted that shit. Check this out. This is the bottom of the box. So it would be like so, right above the exhaust manifold, and you can see how it's nice and nice and nice, and then it just kind of started bleh. Well, it turns out the clip actually melted and fell off. Then, upon further inspection, I actually melted a hole in that thing. I realized I'm gonna need a new air box, but I also realized that in order to prevent this from happening again, I'm gonna have to come up with an idea on how to, keep the airbox from melting. Our machines come stock with a heat shield there, and mine apparently magically disappeared. And so what I did was I made my own. So I took a old exhaust from an XP Turbo that's sitting right there, and I pulled the heat shield off of it. What I did was I cut it down, cut the ends off of it, cut it down to about 12 inches, and now, whoa, adjust phone. Now, I just bolted it into the stock location there, and it's basically just a nice little heat shield. Also, another thing I did is Polaris so conveniently decided to put the bolts for the airbox right behind this huge firewall panel. Well, I ain't about that life, so I went ahead and I cut some holes in it so that way I can get to the bolts and get the airbox out easier. So that's the way we did it. Got some homies that are gonna come in clutch today, hooking me up with a brand new airbox. Well, not a brand new airbox, brand new to me. An airbox is an airbox is an airbox, as long as it works and it seals, right? We're going to Couldve Power Sports, go see my buddy Ricardo and Joe, and see what they got going on today. Maybe hang out for a little bit, get some lunch, and pick up a new airbox. And then we'll head on back here to the house and get that shit put in. Real quick before I go, I'm working on this. These are my little tabs that I'm using to mount my window nuts. So that way I can have my window nuts going all the way up. Safety first, trying to get prepped for this racing. All right, so we just got off here in Seaville. I'm gonna get on up here to Couldve Power Sports and see what they got going on over there. Here we are. Oh man, they got a lot of stuff outside. A lot of stuff going on. All right, here we are, Couldve Power Sports. Got a whole bunch of stuff going on. First thing I noticed is this right here. Check this out. There's a Polaris Sportsman 450 giveaway. June 6, 2021. 2021 Polaris Sportsman 450. For more info, scan me. Let me get a picture of that put up on the screen. I think you guys could figure out how to scan that. Sweet. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't, sorry, I tried. Let's get in here. Let's see what's up. What's up, boss?
How you doing?
Oh man, they remodeled up in here. Dang old fellow bounty course competitor, they got third place. See, but they got second place last time. Fuckers, I didn't get anything last time. Oh boy, got a lot of knickknacks and parts out here. Well, Ricardo, he's bailed me out a couple times. I needed some knuckles and such, and he was able to come through and always seems to have what I need. Shit, I think he had a shock for me too once. A couple shocks. I think I bought both of them. I can't remember. He's come through for me a couple times. Good people. Sit here and roam around the shop for a minute. Got Joe here. Say what's up, Joe.
What's up, man?
Joe here's getting us squared away. We're waiting for Ricardo over here. Come check out the old Chupa. What's up, Ricardo?
Hey, what's going on?
What's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, absolutely, doing good.
Hanging in here.
Come over here and check you out for a little bit. Pick up some parts.
Yeah, we were looking at this thing this morning. I think we cracked the front diff again. And...
Yeah, that's what he was saying. You're gonna have to maybe get some bead locks here next.
Yeah, that's what Joe said.
No.
So, bead lock sounds good. Bead lock would be great. It's fixing to go in for revamping.
Yeah.
On suspension also. Once I get my axles, then they build a suspension around it.
Yeah. This thing is so cool, though.
It is.
I like this thing. What year was the machine that it came out of? Like the engine?
2005 Rhino 660 with the 2015 Can-Am XDS turbo. Drivetrain. Complete drivetrain.
Old Seagaville Power Sports. Old Ricardo here. What kind of work do you guys do here, Ricardo?
Oh man, a little bit of everything, man. Everything from your full service to some custom work. So
awesome.
We can pretty much do it all.
Fantastic. Got a lot of stuff going on here.
Always got a lot of stuff. 30, 40 bikes at a time.
When we were at the bounty course, Ricardo actually ran his wife's bike through the bounty course, and I didn't include that footage on the video, but yeah. You got to get on a podium, bro. Oh yeah, you did. See, I didn't include that one last time. That was my fault. But yeah, what he ended up doing was basically just completely crunch this side going through the rock garden. So he's got some pieces to fix, but he'll be back. He'll be back stronger than ever. Just gonna be turning Mama's bike into a bounty bike. Well, make sure you guys come out and check these guys out. Seagaville Power Sports. Thanks for hooking me up, guys. Helping me out. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Right on, guys. I'll make sure to put their number up on the screen, and make sure you'll give a like on their Facebook page, all right? I'm going to get my ass home and put these parts on.
Dad, this is the job for a big screwdriver brush.
The big what?
The big screwdriver brush. A big screwdriver brush has a big screwdriver and a big brush.
That's right.
And if I scrub it, that means scrubbing brush.
Got my little helper out here with me. I'm going to run through quickly on how to install this this new air intake box. Kind of a pain in the butt if you don't have the holes cut in the firewall there behind the seats, but I cut some holes in it, so it should be pretty easy. Let's get to it. All right, so we went ahead and we put a new Polaris air filter in here, the blue one. So this thing is going to need the little mounting tabs that go on the back here, and then there's 2 bolts that go on the bottom. So these are basically what you need here. Those slide over like that. Oh, that one's backwards. Could probably clamp these down a little bit with some pliers or something, just so that way they don't come sliding off, but that's how they work. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Thumbs up? Having to do this one-handed. And then that should be right about it, actually. Now I just have to go to the front side and mount it in place. Yeah, boy. See how much easier this is?
Dad, how I take it off?
Okay, so we've got the air box in there, the tube that goes from the intake manifold or the plenum to the air box. We've got one piece left, and that's the inlet pipe. And my little supervisor decided that that piece was a little bit dirty, so he's going to go ahead and get it cleaned up for us, and then we're going to get it installed back in there. I appreciate you guys for all watching this video. If you did like it, make sure you hit that little thumbs up button, maybe possibly share it with your friends. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys out on the next video, all right? Take care, guys. Get to it, brother.
But I can't get the door off. Please show me how to clean it.
I'll show you, brother. I'll show you.